Hey there, Marvel fans. Get ready for an epic showdown as two of your favorite superheroes join forces in the highly anticipated Black Panther Gamel movie 2023. Team Spider. I'm your host, and today we're diving into all the thrilling details of this upcoming blockbuster. So, grab your vibranium suit and web shooters because we're about to take you on a wild ride. In this groundbreaking film, the legendary Black Panther, King T'Challa of Wakanda, teams up with the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, Peter Parker. Together, they form an unstoppable force to protect their city from a sinister threat. Imagine the perfect blend of Wakandan technology and Spidey's agility. It's going to be mind-blowing. And let's talk about the star-studded cast that will bring these iconic characters to life. Returning as T'Challa, we have the incredible Chadwick Boseman, may he rest in power. And swinging back into action as Spider-Man, we have Tom Holland, the fan-favorite web-slinger. With these two powerhouses leading the charge, we know we're in for an unforgettable cinematic experience. Now, let's explore the captivating world that Black Panther Gamel Movie 2023 Team Spider will immerse us in. Prepare to be transported to the stunning landscapes of Wakanda with its advanced technology, vibrant culture, and majestic architecture. Get ready to swing through the bustling streets of New York City, where Spider-Man has been protecting the innocent for years. The clash of these two incredible realms is going to be something you won't want to miss. And speaking of not wanting to miss anything, let's take a sneak peek at some exhilarating moments from the teaser trailer. Brace yourselves for heart-pounding action, jaw-dropping special effects, and unexpected plot twists. Get ready to witness epic fight scenes as Black Panther and Spider-Man showcase their unique skills and teamwork. Trust me, this movie is going to have you on the edge of your seat. I don't know about you, but I am beyond excited for Black Panther Gamel Movie 2023 Team Spider. The blend of these two beloved characters, the thrilling storyline, and the visual spectacle is promising an experience like no other. So, mark your calendars and assemble your superhero squad because this is one movie event you won't want to miss. That's all for today's video, Marvel fans. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any updates about Black Panther Gamel Movie 2023. Team Spider. And as always, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep embracing your inner hero and stay tuned for more thrilling adventures from the Marvel Universe. Excelsior!
Go get him, Tiger.
No, that's not it.
down there.
Ready when you are.
Copy that. I'll get him looking the wrong way. You gentlemen ready?
Spidey, check it out.
Nice.
That's not regulation.
Sorry, Captain. Birthday present from the kid. Not every day you run off with the man, you know?
I'll let it slide. This time. Now get back on the ready line.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this.
Any of you guys read that chapter in The Art of War about misdirection? No? Good. Amaja's Civil War. Hammerhead's men versus all the other families. And I'm caught in the middle. Of course. Can't believe Hammerhead picked a dilapidated sanitarium for his home base. No, wait. I can totally believe it. Just need to keep these guys just on me, while Yuri and her team sneak in and grab Hammerhead. Every Don should have a name like Hammerhead. Let me think. How about, Moose? That's a majestic animal. Maybe Stingray? Stick with the aquatic theme? Look, I'm spitballing here.
You better quit while you're ahead. Crap! This is Monty! Why did he go the hell we can get? You messed with the wrong mob! Put that away, punk! Forget Hammerhead's guys! Concentrate on the spider!
Hammerhead's guys fighting the rest of the Magia is like coming to a party where you hate everyone.
You like that? How to get so many of them? You're gonna get messed up!
You keep beating each other up. I'm just expediting the process.
You're gonna get squashed!
More Magia thugs, more Hammerhead thugs, more destruction of public property. Neither side has really fallen short on manpower, huh? That's Yuri, you good?
Confirm target elimination.
Fish in a barrel.
Moving on.
Let's move! Let's move!
Yeah, she's good.
Monty in territory! Crap! Let's kill him!
Hey, I can do this all day, guys, though I'd prefer not to.
What the? Oh, that black guy under that mask! It's the guy from his town! Oh, trick spider! Oh, I felt that one! Is that a romance spider? Where's he at? You're gonna be like a bug on a windshield!
Enough with the bug puns already. Does Sable know you borrowed her shields?
You better run! This guy means business! I'm gonna get this! Watch out for the block!
You know, I know a guy with a way cooler shield. You asked for it. You know, I know a guy with a way cooler shield.
He felt that!
was about as tough as I expected. Better catch up to Yuri. Hey Yuri, we're all good outside. How's your team? Bad reception. She must be in the basement or something. Gotta catch up to her. Oh, good. Nice and creepy. Definitely not haunted. I know Yuri can handle herself, but something isn't right in here. I've got to catch up to her. Please don't let there be any bathroom ghosts. I can't deal with that today. Probably not every old sanitarium is haunted by the ghosts of the people who are mistreated there, but this one almost definitely is.
Dirty cops thinking they can rush into Maggia territory without any...
This looks like Hammerhead's base of operations, but no Hammerhead. And no Yuri! That didn't sound good. Gotta get to her fast.
Who cares?
I should get this guy out of everyone's way.
Hammerhead killing superheroes. Everything attached. Oh, yeah. What else goes in the room?
No talking during the infiltration. That's all of them. But what did Hammerhead leave a room full of goons here to watch? Sable tech. But what's the rest of this stuff? And how'd Hammerhead get his fins on all this? That's new. It's too professional for a... They repurposed the old security system. Come on, Yuri.
Thing is, I'm a gentleman. You'd have knocked. You could have come right in.
No.
But you had to go and sneak around. That's the problem with you cops. No respect. Used to be. We earned your respect. You hit us, we hit back. Made you know your place. Gave you the fear. Now you think a stiff breeze will blow us over?
Drop the gun! Hands behind your head!
How about no?
Captain. I'm sorry.
Do it! Now!
There it is. There's the fear.